What's up, guys? Today we're going to talk about Zapper Fi / invest. Alright, so Zapper Fi, what is Zapper Fi, guys? They don't even have a token yet. Don't forget about them. Don't be sleeping on them. Alright, so I'm just going to do this with a blank wallet just so you guys can see it. We're going to play around with it. And guys, basically what this wallet does is it pulls from Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, and it pulls from the Ethereum network. Look at all these 3 networks, and they will be integrating more. And then, guys, I need to say this again. There's no token yet. Guys, I need to say this again. There's no token yet. Will they have a token? Possibly. If you want to airdrop, play around with it. Have some fun. Link your wallet. Trade. Make a swap. Use the bridge. Play around with it. Alright, so we're going to play around with it some. We're going to show you guys it. And basically this is your wallet. They will show other things on there. Just link up your wallet real quick. You'll see it yourself. But what I want to show you on Zapper Fi is this. So check this out. You go to the exchange and you can actually swap ETH for any of the tokens that you choose. So this does link to like MetaMask, or I'm sorry, not MetaMask, Uniswap, and Falcon Swap and other exchanges. I mean, guys, tons of tokens. I mean, what the pants is ZZZ? I don't even know. But they got the token there. And if they don't have the token, just type in your own token address and it'll pull up. They got it. It's just basically like Uniswap. And it basically is an aggregator. So it'll pull from Sushi Swap. It'll pull from 1inch, it'll pull from Dodo, it'll pull from like I already said, Uniswap, Bancorn Network, it'll pull from them all. And you'll see it, it'll give you the price, and it'll give you the gas fee, so it is pretty awesome. Then you got a pool section. So guys, this is awesome because it picks from all of the pools. So you can use the Curve pool, you can use the ETH pool on Uniswap, you can use Sushi Swap. Guys, they're all in here, and you literally just hit invest and you can deposit into it, and it's that easy. So you can do all of DeFi on one website. So forget about going to MakerDAO or going to Compound or DYDX and going to all those different things and having a list of different websites and remembering where all your tokens are at, because I literally have my tokens on about 50 different websites. I can't even remember. Sometimes I open a website and I just find out, wow, I just found $5,000. That's cool. That's just like leaving 20 bucks on the back of your jeans and putting them on a month later, and you're like, wow, I feel like a champ. I just found 2 pennies in the back of my pocket. Alright, anyways, so guys, you also have the farms. So the farms are pretty awesome because look, they pull from different farms. So you can deposit all into one. And I know you guys are like, oh, there's only 10. Well, no. I'm just not flipping through the pages. There's 55 different pages. So it's any one you want. Like, look, they even have Mirror Protocol on here. Guys, I love Mirror Protocol. But look, 94%. That's awesome! And same thing with pools, guys. 162 pools. Go ahead and switch through, swap through, flip through, pop through, tick through, tap through, switch through, pop through. I'm going to stop saying before I say a random word that I probably shouldn't be saying. But anyways, now guys, this is awesome. So we'll show you the bridge. Everyone knows how complex, and it's really not that complex, but people make it more complex than it needs to be. We're going to show you guys that you can swap your Ethereum to the Polygon bridge like that. It's that easy. You literally just say, yeah, I want to send 10 ETH to the layer 2 of Polygon. Guys, how important is that? Well, that's pretty massive. And until we see exchanges allowing you to withdraw to layer 2, you are going to start needing to use this bridge. Like Binance allows you to withdraw to Binance Smart Chain so you don't have to mess around with the bridge. This is going to be something that's needed. And look, it is new. So they are going to integrate with Ethereum and Optimism. So it's going to be other things too, so keep that in mind. And another thing is you can see the history. So you can see the history of all the swap swap tip tops, all the things that you did. And look, it has a little convenience gas setting, so it knows how you want to set your GUI, standard, instant, whatever. And you can change your slippage tolerance. And guys, this is the game changer right here. Especially when it's 2 in the morning. Oh, so much better. And yes, it is about, nah, it's not 2 in the morning yet. It's 11:37 p.m. It's late. I need to get a girlfriend. Anyways, guys, so you guys can see what is going on with Zapper Fi. Highly recommend you guys check out Zapper Fi. It has a free airdrop. No, I'm just kidding, guys. I don't know if it has an airdrop or not, but you guys can check it out. You guys can go on their Twitter, Discord, WeChat. And what I take from WeChat is it is probably somewhat in the Asian hemisphere. I don't know, whatever, not hemisphere, but somewhere over there. It's probably been created. I'm not that good with geometry, so anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys. And if you guys enjoyed this video, I'm going to leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Even if you disliked it, I'm still going to give you a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 29, verses 3. A man who loves wisdom brings joy to his father, but a companion of prostitutes squanders his wealth. Yeah, that's so true. Them boys are just like swapping them dollars out, man. Yeah, don't do that. Just be one who loves wisdom. And want to know how I know you love wisdom? You guys are listening to these wisdom one-liners. But anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. And if you guys enjoyed this video, smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new one. If you guys hated this video, but you still want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you can. There's some affiliate links in the description below. I get a reward. You get a reward. It's a win-win, and it's like, bro, that's cool. And guys, peace out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Guys, I need you guys to do a couple things. Participate in the quadruple threat. First, set up a Celsius account. Here's a referral link. You guys can use it. Write it down. Type it down. Or you guys can use the link in the description below. Set up a Celsius account. Good for savings. Good for earnings. Don't bet the house on it though. But anyways, you guys can get a free bonus on this. Alright, how do I get this free bonus? Well, guys, enter in this link. You guys will get $30. Then deposit $200 in any cryptocurrency. Enter in new 40. Like NEW 40 promo code. You guys can use both and you'll get a total of $70. Guys, that's step 1 of the triple threat. Alright, Drake, I did step 1. What's step 2? Alright, guys, this is where you can get your small altcoin gems and little game changers. You guys can go to crypto.com. You can set up an account. Here's a link in the description below, or you guys can just type in this code right here on the screen. Deposit some funds in there. You get $25 in bonus crypto. You guys can use that to buy your altcoin gems and have some fun. Step 2 of the triple threat, or I'm sorry, quadruple threat. And the third one, this one is a fun one, Voyager. This one is more so where you can buy with limit orders. It doesn't have as many altcoins as crypto.com, but it's really easy to use, easy to set up. And yes, this one does come with a referral link as well, and you'll get $25 in BTC. This is how you can do a limit order. Super easy to use, and they don't charge any trading fees whatsoever. Here's the referral link. You can't copy and paste it, but you can look in the description to copy and paste, and you can put that in and set one up. 25 bucks. Step 4, open up a BLOCKFI account. Here's a link you guys can use. The reference code is 024FFE02. All the links are in the description below. Open up a BLOCKFI, just deposit some funds, and you'll get $30 in BTC. And you can also get that crypto cashback rewards card. Don't forget about that. Game changer, 1.5%. And the first few months, you get a bunch of extra percent. Check it out. This is the funnest one though. Lolly, free. There is a referral link to this one too. I've actually won 100,000 sats one time on one of the taps, which is worth like $100 in Bitcoin. So it's crazy. Look, and there's even proof in the wallet. Look at that, daily stack, 101. Guys, set one up. It's really easy to do. Download a Lolly account and just set it up. And of course, guys, if you guys are a pro, there's a link in the description so you guys can sign up with KuCoin and Binance US to get some trading fee discounts. Thanks.